नम्रता से पेश आओ। बिहेव पोलाइटली, बिहेव पोलाइटली। क्या आप जानते हैं कि उसने क्या किया है? डू यू नो what he has done? डू यू नो what he has done? इसका तुमसे कोई लेना देना नहीं है। That is no business of yours. That's no business of yours. जांच चल रही है। The investigation is underway. The investigation is underway. मैं उसकी नस नस से वाकिफ हूँ। I know with every inch of him. I know with every inch of him. अब मैं कुछ बोलूं? May I say something now? May I say something now? अपने काम से काम रखो। Mind your own business. Mind your own business. अब तक सब ठीक है। So far so good. So far so good. क्या समय हुआ है? What time is it? What time is it? मुझे ऐसा लगता है। I think so. I think so. आपके बाद। After you. After you. क्यों नहीं? Why not? Why not? हिलना मत। Don't move. Don't move. कई बार हम ऐसे ही बोल देते हैं Do not move. Do not move. Don't move. 1 मिनट रुकिए। Wait a minute. Wait a minute. जरा सा। Just a little. Just a little. इसे बाहर लेके जाएं। जा बाहर ले जाएं। Take it outside. Take it outside. बस काफी है। That's enough. That's enough. मैं नहीं मानता। I don't believe. I don't believe. यह सही नहीं है। That's not fair. That's not fair. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? मैं क्लास में बैठा हूँ। I am sitting in the class. I am sitting in the class. तुम कल कहाँ जाओगी? Where will you go tomorrow? Where will you go tomorrow? क्या तुम कुछ बोलना चाहते हो? Do you want to say something? Do you want to say something? मैं सुबह से पढ़ रहा हूँ। I have been studying since morning. I have been studying since morning. क्या ये तुम्हारा आखिरी फैसला है? Is this your final decision? Is this your final decision?